about the process. When did you, as part of the park, get involved versus Monk and what they were doing for the installation? Where do you come into the picture?
When you build a coaster, you have to put ink to paper about 2 years before you want it. Once the contracts are signed, then the parks start getting involved, and that's really when my involvement starts. So we get everybody together, we figure out where the ride's going to go, we start tweaking and tuning to make it fit the site, and then we start coming up with a name for it, and then we start working on the theming for it. And that's really been the fun part of this one, because it's a totally immersive experience here. We've gone over and above what we normally do with theming on this ride, so it's really awesome.
It is. It strikes you right from the very beginning when you enter the queue line that you'll have really gone above and beyond your normal of theming, and you have immersed people in the story of Grandma's Jam. Can you tell me a little bit about the story?
I can. It's Granny's Jam Factory, and she always wins blue ribbons for her jam, but there seems to be a little bit more to the story, like maybe she's making something else like moonshine. So Granny's Jam Factory is really a front for the Moonshine Factory, which is really what she's making. And she makes really good moonshine too.
So there's a lot of secrets hidden here.
There are. Just let's go back to the name, Copperhead Strike. Well, up in the Blue Ridge Mountains, the Copperhead is also the name for a still. They refer to stills as copperheads because it's all made out of copper. It's got a nice copper top on it.
That makes sense.
And then with the Copperhead snakes, there's lots of Copperhead snakes to keep people away from the Jam Factory and the moonshine. So we called it Copperhead Strike because it ties all that together, and then you add the strike in there because it's a launch coaster. This is probably the most impactful ride sign that we've ever put together. It's awesome. It really is.